in Guangdong Xinyu Industrial Technology Company. This company was established in 1997, and they specialize in building blocks and remote control cars. With that type of skill level, this company has amassed over 23,000 square feet of working space. They have a very high technical skill workforce and quality products that they put out on the market. One of their brands here is Happy Build. Happy Build is a new product that they came out with that's all about the building blocks. So here at Xinyu, you can see that they're very innovative and very creative in the development of the products that are geared to the world market, whether it's the European market, the US market, or other export markets. Now we're inside of Guangdong Xinyu Industrial Technology Company assembly line. In this particular location, they're actually assembling the parts and components that makes the Jeep toy, remote control toy. You can see the great detail they put into different areas of the assembly, as far as the housing, as far as the motor, as far as the chassis, and all those things. So they have a strict quality management process and strict management standards that they adhere to. So at the end of the day, they produce this Jeep product that meets the golden standard of quality control. Now we're in Guangdong Xinyu Technology Industrial Company's product assembly line. This particular product assembly line is for Happy Build, which is their brand product for the building blocks. In this particular area, after all the parts have been assembled into the bucket here, it comes to this area here, it goes down through this vat, and you can say that this particular area right here actually makes a bag. And once the bag is filled with the components here, it comes over here to this base right here, this box right here, and then it weighs in. Then they have a quality control person right here that actually checks the final weight of the product. If it doesn't pass the final weight, it gets thrown right here. If it passes the weight, it gets in the bag right here. So you can see through the whole process of the Happy Build area that they have the quality, the maintenance, and a great assembly line, automatic assembly line to make sure that everything goes according to plan. Okay, we're in another section of the quality control with Guangdong Xinyu Industrial Automation Company. This is the drop test location. You can see here how they take the toys and take it to a certain height and they drop it to see if it stays intact, see if it comes apart.